Good evening, everyone. It's day 235. Cheers. Bye. Good evening, everyone. It's day 236. Yes. And it's what? 28. Three days until New Year's Eve, people. Cheers. Daily milk, daily mix lang. Holy cow. May laman pala siya, sorry. Konti na lang kasi siya, so inubos na rin naman. Ay, yun. Ibababad na kasi natin siya. Okay, tapos na. Perfect. Next is shake. So, 2024 is nearing. At wala pa rin po akong 2023 dump. No! OA 2024 dump. Gagi. I'm mixing up the years, people. See if you think about it. Nakakalito na talaga siya. By the way, 5% na lang yung cellphone na yan. Let's hope. And done. Good night, everyone. See you tomorrow. Good evening, beautiful people of the world. It's day 237. And we have 3 days. 3 days before New Year's Eve. We have 2 nights and 3 days. And the third day is 31. So it's New Year, people. Cheers. New Year, same me. Just better. Dapat ganun kasi yung mga alam mo yung mga quotes na New Year, new me. Dapat New Year, same me, but better. Hindi naman natin kailangan palitan yung sarili natin. We just need to fix our mistakes, be better than who we are right now. Don't change. Unless feeling mo talaga kailangan magbago, hindi mag-change ka. Hindi mo gamitin yung New Year, new me, diba? Yes, New Year's coming, people. 2025 is entering and the countdown starts for my debut. We have 8 months, 9 months to lose this. And we're taking it slow, but we need to take it a little faster when 2025 comes. Because, pagka 2025 na mabilis na lang yan. Tignan mo ka, December 28 na. Tama ba yun? Mukha bang handa na mag-18 tong tao to? Hindi, di ba? Let's hope 2025 treats us all well. Pag nag-18 ako, it's my first year of college na. It's not getting any better. Magdedibo ako, tapos magka-college din ako. Tapos graduation ko ng senior high school. Guys, I'm finally finishing high school after 6 years. Matunga kayo. Natapos ko siya nang wala akong ginagawang kahit anong kalokohan. Oh, that's an achievement. We're having midnights now. Our daily meal. Daily mix. Bagong delay. Kaya dapat kumain. Actually, gumagaral-gal yung sikmura ko kasi. So, hindi ko alam bakit. And nag-grace naman ako. Kahit sinabi kong hindi mo na. Kaso ang nangyari, it's December. At ang dami namin ginagawa. So, I think eating rice is reasonable. I'm not giving any excuses, okay? So, don't judge me. And milk, and then we're done. We're gonna soak it on milk, and then we're done. Because you know. Let's wish 2025 is better than 2024 and brings us new people, new happiness, new journey, new heartbreaks. So amazing. That's done, people. Goodbye. Good morning, everyone. It's day 238. Makita mo na yung nahuli.
Oo, nalipit ko naman. Ang gawin ko lahat.
Diba?
Walang chance. Dito siya na
Natusok yun, natusok yun.
Natusok sa chance, pero wala nabilit na doon. Hindi na siya nakaalis.
Ngayon, nagulat ako may nag-ano eh. May nakaingay nag-clap. Good evening, everyone. It's day 239. And it's December 30. 31 na bukas, people. Cheers. May tea ako. Natimpla ko siya ng walang kamalay-malay. Phoenix.
Saan ba tayo may magandang picture?
Sa Baguio.
Organisa lang ito.
Ay. None of the above pala yung sagot ko. Sa Orhalisa. Okay. Sugar is 500. Shake. Ubus na yung choco, guys. So, sisimutin lang natin to. Tapos lalagyan natin siya ng vanilla. Ay! Ubus na nga. Natapon pa. Clumsy nga naman. Tapos isang scoop ng vanilla. Tugok. Good afternoon, everyone. It's day 240. Wah! If you're wondering bakit ako nag-video ng afternoon, wag na. Kakagising ko lang kasi. And it's currently 4 p.m. in the afternoon. And I just woke up. Damn. So that's why. It's New Year, people. Happy New Year, everyone. It's officially 2025. My goodness. 2025 now. Cheers. Ano lang, unahin ko na yung daily fix. Actually, kasi magbe-breakfast mo. Breakfast! Oo, kasi magdi-dinner na kami maya-maya. So, imbis na magla-lunch na ako, magbe-breakfast mo na ako. So, this is like, magiging merienda lang siya. Kasi sitwasyon natin na yan. Pero it's fine. Kasi hindi ko na nga sila sasabayan sa lunch. Hindi ko pa sila sasabayan sa dinner. Baka mabengga pa ako niya. Hindi na ako payagan next year, di ba? Next day kasi kami ni Ali sa pinsan namin last night. And we sang, we danced, we ate, and a lot of other crazy things. We laughed on nothing. Ang short tuloy ng boses ko kasi kakagising ko lang. Okay, so ang weird. Next. Hindi ko pa nararamdaman yung gutom kasi hindi pa napaprocess ng katawan ko na na-miss ko yung breakfast. Na-miss ko rin yung lunch. 2 meal yung na-miss ko. Hindi pa siya nagpa-process. It's not processing. Loading pa siya. Pero process na yung no? January 1 na. Ulit. January 1 na naman, guys. Grabe. Ano nagawa ng nanay kong mag-January 1 for 44 years? Damn. Tapos ako 17 years. How was your new year? Wait lang ah. Sagutin ko. Mukha naman i-overtake nyo kasi hindi nangangamusta sa akin ng new year ah. That was a long time friend na we're back in contact. Woo! Back in contact, yes. After 1.5 years, I think. I think consider it as 2 years. Yeah. Pero, okay, yun lang. Bye-bye, guys. Tapos na. Bye. Tumaba ako. New Year. Alay, mawit. Sige na. Sige, papanik ka na. Thanks, It's date for 241. Okay. Thanks, ma. 241. Wala na tayong chicken. Nakikita na.